Hi. Today we're going to tell you about common Google Merchant Center errors. The best thing to do is knowing what those common errors are to have a flawless campaign on digital platforms. Let's get started. Violation of Google shopping policies. Some of these violations include selling or promoting the sale of counterfeit products, promotion of products causing damage, harm, or injury, display of inappropriate or offensive content that can offend the customers. Further, you should not try to abuse the ad network by posting malicious content, gaining an unfair advantage in shopping campaigns, and attempting to bypass the review process. Errors related to the price and availability of the product. Google Merchant Center will raise complications if the price and availability of the product are different from their website. You will also encounter an error when you do not mention the currency or price in the product feed. Similarly, do not submit free products along with your shopping feed. Similarly, always mention the correct field for the price attribute in your product feed. Incorrect product description and images. Whenever users do not follow the guidelines related to the product description, title, image fields, and other related fields, they are faced with errors in their accounts. You have to ensure that you mention all this information in a prescribed manner, otherwise, your product will not appear in the search queries. Sometimes, an error can cost you an account suspension and can seriously injure your product prospects. So, always ensure that you do not commit all these errors, and provide all necessary information in your account and product feed correctly. Hope you found the information useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our videos with other great Google marketing solutions for your business. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.